Okay, so there was the startup of this 2017 4-ton. I meant 2015 4-ton Carrier Comfort Series. It's the exact same unit as that unit that I got starting up last time. This one was a little bit harder because this one normally runs constantly. So, glad I finally got it. I got that one starting up last time. This one starting up before. And the same day I got that one starting up, I got that one starting up. I got that one starting up actually before that one. So yeah. $2015 4-ton. It is nice and cold and sweaty. It uses R410A refrigerant. I think it's a 13C. I don't know. With the helicopter blades. So, yeah. Here's the start of this 2015 4-ton Carrier Comfort Series starting off. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.